Do you know what were the turning points in your life? When your life took a completely different direction? These are absolutely crucial questions for you to understand what do you need to do in your life in order to completely change your life again. Hello everyone, my name is Alena Brivkina, and in this channel I want you to learn about life coaching, about the motivation, and also what questions you want to ask yourself in order to live more meaningful life. Several days ago in the Telegram channel of one of my gurus, I saw a message. Take a moment to answer that question today. What were the most crucial life-changing events in your life? And immediately I was like, I completely forgot to include that very question to the video of 9 questions you should ask yourself to live more meaningful life. And I invite you to check this out if you haven't done so already. So what are really events that changed my life completely? First of all, working in the USA, and yes, working, not work and travel in the USA in 2018, because basically I was much more working rather than resting or traveling, and that is a topic of another video, how to rest or how to allow yourself to rest. But right now I really want you to understand why working in the US was that crucial turning point in my life. Firstly, I was working not in the usual work and travel job. Second, I really worked so hard and I realized that there are 2 components for success in life. Positive thinking and hard working are those 2 ingredients for achieving everything you really want in life. And once I realized that, I did start to dream big. And also the money that I earned there are helping me right now to be here in Canada. Event number 2 that changed my life completely is the realization that I really want to become a life coach, and coaching overall is my thing. Then I got so many signs from the world, from other people, that it is what you need to do in life. Because there is my power to change the world, and new opportunities start appearing in my life with the magical coincidences. So if put it as an event, my joining of the life coaching course changed my life a lot, and I actually recorded a video about this over here, and you really want to check this out, because there I also told you how my life changed during and after completion of that course. Event number 3 is the same year I started working at the company, but it wasn't just a start working at that company, it was a whole journey to get in there, and the process of getting in there, the overall work there in a sales team and also as an executive assistant of the founder of the company changed me a lot, because there I realized what is really working hard. And I tried to combine everything, working there in 2 different spheres, as well as moving to Canada and starting my education in college as well. I believe somewhere there I realized that I really want to build my own business. I really want to build my own self-employed career as a coach, or in any other spheres. We'll see where my life leads me toward to, but the decision was made over there. Event number 4 that changed my life is actually leaving that company. It was a horrifying period in my life. I was so afraid of doing the wrong decision, but at the same time I was so tired of doing all those things at once, and my heart was broken because I thought that that is the company that will help me to immigrate to Canada and everything will be just awesome there, and I also will meet a founder over here because he's in Canada as well. But who knows, probably he'll see that video and finally invite me to meet him. But I needed to switch gears at that moment in October 2021. And again, I realized that everything that happened to me in my life is happening to the better, because once you start resisting the reality and accepting it as it is, the flow of life will lead you much easier, and you will understand that you can just be okay and enjoy the ride. And also in the moments of the big changes in your life and the unexpected events, you want to believe and remember that humans are the most adaptable creatures in the world. So we can live through all crises, all events, all unexpected circumstances that will happen in our lives, and everything will be eventually okay. And event number 5 is actually joining my current company, Payshepherd. There are so much opportunities for me to grow, to be flexible, to change from one functionality to the other, the opportunity to train and hire people. At the same time, it was already amazing Christmas with one of my colleagues in Calgary. And that all proves that all the changes in our lives are happening to the better. And with those events that actually changed my life, I can go on and on and on and on because there are so many of them. For example, fell in love with English, having a semester abroad in Germany, creating connection in a meetup web page and joining their meetings, because eventually I am conducting one of the meetings right now already. And if you think about writing or releasing your writing skills, you can join us at 7 p.m. Eastern Day time. We share a writing prompt in the beginning, then we have 30 minutes of writing and then 30 minutes of sharing all our experiences, thoughts, writings, whatever you want, if you want. And that is amazing community for you to start practicing your English and at the same time start surrounding yourself with positive thinkers. Next additional event is to moving to Canada overall, then deciding to buy a business class tickets in Turkey when I was flying from Russia to Toronto. And that moment was the moment of truth, and that is a hilarious story. Let me know in the comments below if you really want to know the story. Then also I made so much invitations to people, for example, to meet with me and organize a small trip somewhere and meet other people as well. Next is go and play another game, for example, badminton or volleyball. Then invite not just friends but my mentors to meet with me. Organizing sessions with clients. All those invitations that I made led me to my experience and to that person who I am right now. Next one is really changing and being flexible with my calendar changed my life so much. And I also want to recommend you one video that really changed my understanding of how much time do we need to rest, how much time do we need to work, and that video of Matt Diavella you can find in the description below. Also, the event that changed my life is keeping my daily routine of waking up, having journaling. Right now you know where do I do this. Then also get my yoga done and then develop my tiny practices of typing 15 minutes a day and also reading of 15 minutes a day. It is a very big change for me to switch from the mindset of I need to do as much as possible right now to the mindset, okay, I will develop that skill 15 minutes a day, I won't get that tired of this, and I will progress each day, and that is how I will definitely achieve what I really want in life. From all of that, I've learned so much lessons in my life, but that is a topic for another video. And the most crucial event that happened to my life and by my own is to creating that YouTube channel, and I am grateful for all of you because you helped me to develop my confidence, to know how to speak to camera. I have already found new people. I started building my team and I got so much inspiration from my own videos and from videos of other YouTube creators. So as you can see, almost all of those events that was in my life, and I believe in your life as well, are the step out of your comfort zone. And I know there are so many discussions that, oh, we need to initially find that comfort zone and then being able to step out of this. But again, that is a topic of another video. So I really invite you to reflect on your life and see what were the life-changing events that really transformed the direction of your life. So that is how you will be able to understand what helped you to switch your life to the better way. Then you will understand what I needed to repeat again in order to check whether that event will change my life again or not. And that is how you will start eventually doing new things that you didn't do for so long time for now in your life. I also invite you to comment down below what were your 5 life-changing events. I want to thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also like this video and share with others. And what I invite you to do next is watch this video of if you have the feelings, the state of mind of boredom, of realization that you don't want to do anything. In this video I shared with you crucial tips of how to overcome the state of mind and also what will inspire you to move even more forward and become a more successful person. So enjoy this video, I'll see you there. Have an amazing day today and goodbye for now.